Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's go ahead and learn how you can eject or insert the dual or single SIM card from your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now, if you got it for the first time, if you insert the SIM card, the first thing that you want to do, you actually want to get your ejector. You will get this ejector in your box. Now find this out, and once you have this, now if you just come to the bottom here, you will see a little hole right there. Now all you have to do is just put it in there and now press it. And after that, you'll see that your SIM tray will pop up and you can just simply extract or remove it from your phone. Now once you have this on your hand, now you have to place your SIM card. Now based on which variant you're using, it can be single or it can be double. So here we have the double SIM slot. So what I'm going to do, just set my double SIM card right here. So I'll just place it there. Let me just go ahead and use another one in the back. Well, once you have your SIM card with the tray, now just go ahead and get your phone and simply push it in there. And now just place it right here. If you unlock your phone, now my physical SIM card is available on my phone and I can use it the way I like. Well, of course, if you want to just eject your SIM card from your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, then you have to do the same thing. Just simply go ahead and put it in there. Now just go ahead and remove your SIM tray and remove your SIM card from the slot, and now your SIM card is removed from your phone. That's how you guys can literally insert or eject your physical SIM card from your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Hope you found this video useful. If you think so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you later. Peace out.